Hey guys, it's Musa back at it again, and it's currently 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm getting ready to fly back to Canada in the middle of a pandemic, so let's see how it goes. So the plan is I'm gonna be grabbing some breakfast. I'm gonna be just putting my luggage in the car afterwards, and then I'll be heading to the airport. You know, this was the only thing left for me to become a full-fledged YouTuber, now making travel vlogs.
1 hour later.
So just finished breakfast, and now it's time to just pack up my luggage and head to the airport. We got the luggage looking beautiful as always, and it's time to go. But before I put the luggage away, I gotta get ready myself and make sure I look amazing for the airport. You know, gotta look fly. Looking blessed, looking ready. Let's cut. So the weather is beautiful outside, and we are heading to the airport. So guys, I'm in the airport now, and I'm just going to security, and then I gotta check in my luggage afterwards. Let's go. Security was hectic as hell, and now I'm checking in, but you know, after we get that done, we just gotta wait for our flight. So this is the last hurdle, hopefully, and then on to the next. Just finished up check-in, just finished up security, finished everything up. Now I'm just waiting for my flight. No matter how many times you do this process, and I've done it a lot, the check-in part, the security part, all this stuff, it's tiring, it's infuriating, gets on your nerves sometimes. But you know, you gotta sacrifice some stuff to get where you want to be, you know? And that's what I gotta do. So let's have a coffee. We've got 2 hours till the next flight. Not the next flight, our next flight. Our flight. And hopefully we'll have a blast until then. Alright guys, I am now boarding, and let's hope this goes well. It'll be alright, and I will see you guys in the plane. So guys, we are officially in the plane, and you know, trying to find my seat. And once you're in the seat, I'll show you the beautiful view I'll have all flight. As you can see guys, I am in my seat. Got the COVID protection on, got everything, and so far no seatmates, which hopefully stays the same. So, you know, I can be COVID protected and I can sleep in peace. But we're gonna have to wait till the flight takes off to know for sure. Hopefully it'll be good though. It'll be a safe flight, and oh, glory to God, we're here. And check out this beautiful view we got. We got the window seat, and we're gonna enjoy it. We are just about to take off, and then it's sleepy time. Goodbye guys. I was gonna sleep, but there's too much turbulence on the flight for me to get some good shut-eye in. So I am just trying to wait out the turbulence before hopefully I get the chance to get a little bit of hours of sleep, get some shut-eye. But we're gonna have to wait and see. My breakfast is here, and you can check it out. Unfortunately, turbulence didn't let me sleep, but I guess I'll have a good meal to make up for it. We got an omelet, we got a croissant, we got some yogurt, you know, the essentials for breakfast, and there's something else in here. I think it's some chicken right beside the omelet. Good stuff.
Many hours later.
I just woke up from a really good nap and killed about 6 hours of the flight, so I got 6 hours left to go. Six and a half, I think, something like that. And then spend that time reading. Maybe watch a couple Netflix shows, you know, to see how it goes. Check out this beautiful view from right over Iceland. Lunch is here, and you can get a view of it right here. As you can see on the map, we are just entering Canada now, and now it finally feels like we're getting closer to home. As you can see all the snow, you know, that's a clear-cut sign that we're close to Canada. The guys in the flight surprised me with another meal, and I don't know if you want to call this a snack or you want to call it a full-fledged meal, but they sent me a sandwich, and now I'm gonna eat this sandwich.
Many hours later.
Guys, checking in again, and we have begun our descent into Toronto, so I'll see you guys on the ground. Now it's time to get my luggage, and then I gotta go to my hotel for hotel quarantine afterwards. Let's go! I got my luggage, and now I'm gonna go to the hotel, hopefully. Catch you there. But before we go to the hotel, we gotta get COVID tested. Make sure we are COVID negative, and then we will head to the hotel. That's the plan. COVID test done. Now my nostrils hurt, but now all that's left is nothing. I can finally go to the hotel and just sleep. Finally. I am in the shuttle now to go to the hotel, and you know, went through customs, got my luggage, did the COVID test, nothing left to do. So hopefully the shuttle fills up quick so we can go and pass out, just go to sleep. Almost there. Hey everyone, I think it's about time I butt in. So as you can see, I safely traveled across the world in a global pandemic. Now where did I go after landing in Toronto? Well, as some of you may know, Canada has a very strict quarantine law. And for those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, well, due to the rise in COVID cases in the last couple of months, what Canada has done is it's forced its incoming travelers to take 2 COVID tests. One on arrival at the airport and one 10 days after landing. And since you don't want a COVID positive patient maybe running around, to mitigate that risk, what the Canadian government has done is they've made it so that you have to stay in a government authorized quarantine hotel until the results of your first test. Well, me? Well, I spent the next 3 days at the Toronto Airport Marriott Hotel, and the experience I had at this hotel while waiting for my test results was quite unique. They had everyone set up in the rooms that they had purchased, and we weren't allowed to leave those rooms in most circumstances. So what you do is you could also call up the lobby and book a break 3 times a day, 15 minutes at a time. And you had to book it every single time you wanted to go outside, get some fresh air, whatever you wanted. And they sent a hotel employee right behind you just to make sure you don't run away or something and you're not coughing on people. At the beginning of our stay, they also made us sign menu forms for all 3 days you were going to be there. And what they did was they sent us food to our door 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what they did was they put all your food in a brown bag and left it outside your door, knocked, and went to the next room so there wouldn't be any interaction between you and the deliverer. The hotel also accommodated me when I wanted to order food from outside, and the lobby would just pick it up and send it upstairs to me, which was really nice of them. One of my friend's family sent me a care package with some food and some goodies, and the hotel staff was gracious enough to receive that package for me and deliver it to me as well. The food from the hotel was pretty fresh. It was nice. It was well cooked, and it was hot when they delivered it to you. So the quality was definitely higher than what I expect from normal hotel food. They also had a lot of variety in the menu, where you could have a different meal every single day and not feel like you missed out. Hotel staff was really nice in terms of COVID guidelines as well. And they made sure that nobody was in direct contact with you unless they had to be. They made sure that everyone was wearing masks, social distancing was being followed. And it was nice to see that it was a well-run system, well organized. I got my COVID test results on the morning of my 3rd day. Hey guys, it's Musa checking in again, and I've spent the last couple of days in hotel quarantine. It's been an interesting experience, but I just got my test results back and I am free to go to my home for self-isolation. So, see you guys. And I tell you, it was quite a hectic morning, calling and yelling at lab employees trying to get my results before I missed checkout time. And since I don't live in Toronto, I grabbed my stuff from the hotel and, well, I'll let you see the rest yourself. Guys, I am now leaving the hotel, so I will see you guys on the other side. Take care. And that ended the most difficult and most memorable traveling experience of my life thus far. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share with all your friends, and get ready for a lot of good content coming out soon. Go kill that bell icon.